Yo, 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 for me and the sea lions. That's a million yos. Now say that in your head before you continue watching this video. Just kidding. Yo, yo, yo. Welcome to another video. I'm going to Pier 39. I'm gonna do a mix of voiceover and well, there's me mode in the video, so let me know if you prefer this or if you prefer captions. Hello, my name is Dover. Plushies for wife. Off to the 1 and million sea lions. It was a hot day in the neighborhood, girls. Now we're walking back to the car. See ya. I'm gonna get yogurt. It was so hot with the sealies and at Pier 39. So I need some. I got a mango sorbet at an undisclosed location. TBH Noggle, the sorbet was not that good. 10 out of 10 would not recommend. Time yells. And I'm about to play tennis, but I saw these steps nearby tennis courts on Google Maps. And I'm going to check them out. Turn around. My apologies, y'alls. Can't really see the stairs because the sun was right there. Which I'll say right now. Here we go. The sun is right there. But just know you made it. Okay, time to play tennis. See ya.
enjoyed this video, and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.